What's up, guys? Today I'm doing the first 360 video unboxing. This is an unboxing from Mercari, and I bought this for my mom to give to Vietnamese family over there. It's gonna be a trip gift. Don't need to be expensive. Get something for them to get online. Yeah. So this is a used iPad Air, first generation, with a nice keyboard here. So, ooh, even a nice charger. With a built case. That's a Logic case. Very nice. So yeah, check it out. See how it stands. Okay. See? Wow, look at that. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, sticks really good too. They said they wiped it clean, so we'll see. Gonna power it up here. Where's the power button? Oh, right here. Yeah. Let's see if it's wiped clean or not. Chargers look good. Yeah, charger looks very good. Powering up. I don't know how much battery life they get here. Okay. Let's go through here. Oh, looks like they even got whatever you call it. Cellular service. Let's do one setup here. Would be my Wi-Fi. No, can't see my password. What happened here? I guess not set up a keyboard yet. Okay, putting in. I'm gonna have to take that SIM card out. All right. Don't need no password, but it's gonna be a gift. They can set up one later. Don't transfer anything. It's gonna be a new. Do that later. Skip this part here. Have one set up later. Share, don't share Apple device, share with Apple developers. Continue. Yeah, so it's nice. Gonna remove the seam in the. I think it has a seam. This is probably on Verizon or some network. Let it install the apps and everything. Well, yeah, guys, it looks great. This case even awesome too. Thanks for viewing. Please like and subscribe for my next. I just got this Insta360 1X. So you're viewing on Insta360 1X unboxing for first time. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe and come back for more.